Hello, and welcome back to Learning English with NDM, the place where we grow together, learn new things, and unlock our full potential. Today, we're diving into a super interesting and helpful topic: simple habits to sharpen your memory. Something we all want, right? But before we begin, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments below. Where are you watching this video from? I love seeing how far our little learning family is reaching around the world. All right, now let's get started. So, why memory matters? Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you were there? Or maybe you studied hard for an exam but couldn't recall the answers when it mattered most? Don't worry, you're not alone. Memory is like a muscle. The more you use it and train it, the stronger it gets. And the good news is, you don't need fancy techniques or expensive tools to boost it. Just a few simple habits in your daily life can make a huge difference. So let's explore those habits together. Habit 1. Get quality sleep. Let's start with the most underrated tool: sleep. When you sleep, your brain organizes and stores information, kind of like hitting the save button on a computer. Lack of sleep, especially deep sleep, affects concentration, decision-making, and yes, memory. Try to aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And remember, it's not just about quantity, but also quality. Question for you. Have you ever noticed how much better you think after a good night's sleep? Let me know in the comments. Habit 2. Practice mindful listening. Next is mindful listening. Often we forget things not because our memory is bad, but because we weren't really paying attention in the first place. Try this. When someone is talking to you, look them in the eye, nod, and repeat back what you heard. This keeps your brain active and focused. In other words, listen to remember, not just to reply. Habit 3. Use the power of association. Memory loves connections. If you want to remember a person's name, try associating it with something familiar. For example, if you meet someone named Rose, imagine a flower on their head. It sounds silly, but your brain will hold on to that image much more easily. This method is called visual association, and it's incredibly effective. Try it today and let me know how it works for you. Habit number 4. Keep learning something new. Want a sharper memory? Keep challenging your brain. Whether it's learning English with me here, playing a musical instrument, solving puzzles, or reading books, every new skill or piece of knowledge creates new pathways in your brain. You know the saying, use it or lose it. It's true, especially when it comes to memory. Habit number 5. Stay physically active. Yes, your body and brain are connected. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which improves memory and thinking skills. You don't need to run a marathon. Even a daily walk or 15 minutes of stretching can help. So next time you're stuck on something, try moving your body. It might just jog your memory too. Habit number 6. Eat brain-boosting foods. What you eat also affects your brain. Try adding foods like blueberries, rain, walnuts, rain, fatty fish, rain, up, leafy greens. These are full of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, both amazing for your memory. And of course, drink enough water. Even mild dehydration can affect your focus and short-term recall. So there you have it. 6 simple habits you can start today to sharpen your memory. Rain, good sleep. Practice mindful listening. Prain, serving associations. Learn new things. Thinking, active. Rain, at smart. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these habits are you already doing? Or which one will you try first? Type your answer in the comments below. Let's support each other in this journey. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more tips like this. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and take care of that amazing brain of yours. This is NDM, signing off from Learning English with NDM. See you soon.